Hey everyone, in this video we will explore how to use MP Script's subtract functions in Salesforce Marketing Cloud to calculate net salary after deductions. So many marketers and developers struggle with dynamic calculations in SFMC, but with MP Script we can handle salary breakdowns, bonuses and deductions effortlessly. So let's dive in. First we have to create the landing pages for the cloud page code. So here we have click on the landing pages and give our uh, page name, that is subtract math functions, and then click next, and then after that we can drag the HTML tag and write our code. In the show sample salary slips with key components. Here is like a base salary, the fixed amount and employee earns, and next one is like overtime pay, that is additional earnings for extra work hours. Annual bonus, like a fixed bonus every employee gets. Deductions means like taxes, insurance, or any other cuts for from salary. Net salary, like the final amount the employee receives. So our goals is like in this use case we will like subtract deductions from the total salary to calculate the final net salary using MP script. So here is the code where we are one by one defined, first one is set submitted, and that is request parameters submitted, and then we have set the first name, last name, base salary, overtime pay, annual bonus, deductions, net salary, etc. And in the this is define the names and attributes of the what type of attributes we want to set, and then here, yeah, this is the last salary, and we have one by one write the last name and base salary, overtime pay, annual bonus, deductions, and net salary, etc. So this is all about define the attribute, set the variables, and then write the conditions, if submitted is true, then first name request parameter first name, last name request parameter last name, and so on. So after applying the conditions, we will now calculate total salary. So total salary is like a base salary and sum of base salary and overtime pay, and then we have add a bonus to total salary. So bonus of the total salary is like a salary with bonus. We have set the attribute salary with bonus, and sum of total salary and annual bonus. So after that we are applying to the subtract function. So in the subtract function we have set the net salary attributes, and then subtract like a salary with bonus and deductions. So add salary, like a base salary, add the functions is used for base salary plus overtime pay. So adds overtime to the base salary, and add functions used for total salary and annual bonus means adds the annual bonus, and subtracts salary with bonus and deductions. This means is like the main functions. This removes deductions like tax, insurance from the salary to get the final net salary. So why use MP script subtract functions? It allows real-time calculation insights Marketing Cloud, making dynamic salary computation seamless. So yeah, this is all about the how to calculate the salary and how to subtract the deduction to get net salary. So this is the function of that. Our use cases criteria. So next we have discuss how we can display the net salary on cloud pages through the HTML forms. So now displaying the net salary on cloud pages by using the HTML form. So before submission, this will show how this cloud page looks when a user enters their details. So first we have created the form, this is similar for the previous videos form where we are using the add functions for the calculation of net salary. So this is all about for that code. This is similar for that code. Here we have created a form and mentioned the first name, input label is input type is text, and then similarly for the last level name, input type is text. For the base salary, input type is numbers. For overtime pay, input type is number, and deductions numbers, and same. And here we have a similar as for all the deductions, and then we have create the submit button, that is calculate net salary. And here we have also personalized the our data extensions, that is employee salary data extensions, which is personalized and follow the details of that cloud pages according to the use cases or criteria. So So now in the email integration part, we can also send an email with a cloud page link to like let employee check their salaries dynamically. So first we have like set the cloud page URL through the cloud page ID. So our page ID is like 5333, so replace with your cloud page. So here we have like set the paragraph hello, and then we have set the next paragraph like want to check your net salary after deductions, so click below. So here we have like also set the one link that is redirect to the cloud page URL, and create the one button like enter salary details. So this is when employee clicks the link in the email, then lands on the cloud pages like enter salary details and instantly see their net salaries, all about salaries. So here when we are going to the we are clicking the enter salary, and then we have this is all about the all about the email integration code. So here we have like mentioned the cloud page URL link through the cloud page, and then create the messages and paragraph, and create the link which is redirect and lands on the cloud page. So yeah, this is all about the cloud page email integration related code. So now in the a summary slide in the summary sections, MP script abstract function is great for real-time salary calculations, dynamic salary breakdowns inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud. MP script is game changer like for personalizations and real-time interactions. If you found this video is helpful, then gives me a thumbs up, and if you want to more MP script tutorials, let me know. If you had like to see other real-time use cases in the SFMC. So thank you for your time, and thank you so much.